I need to go over some background of the Phunny Pharm anatomy. Now, the Phunny Pharm is a book written by Dr. C. Ty Reedhead, and it's out of print, but it's based on pharmacology, and if you wanted to go online and buy it for about $120 or something, you can, but I'm going to be drawing out all the pictures on video to help me learn it, and part of learning it is understanding what each thing stands for. So the Phunny Pharm is a town that each part of the town represents the anatomy of the body, and the anatomy of the body has characters in it that are the pharmacology, the drugs that are used for that part of the body. So the first part of the body is the anti-microbials, and I've got a baseball diamond here, and I know it looks kind of silly, but we're going to go into baseball and hockey and basketball and water polo, and all those are the antimicrobials. That's sports. So all the sports teams are the antimicrobials that fight off all the infections. The university is the CNS, or the central nervous system. It's kind of like the university is the central part of our life. Anyway, central nervous system is the university. And there's parts of the university inside that correlate to different parts of what the drugs are used for. So we'll go into that. The autonomic nervous system is the forest. Autonomic. That is the Phunny Pharm forest, and you've got Nicky the bear and Nick the bear and the cubs, and they all have to do with how the autonomic nervous system works. And since that's something that I'm stuck on, I'm going to start with that. I just wanted to let you know that the forest was part of this whole town. Next part is the respiratory system, or the airport. Now the respiratory system, the airport represents the lungs, but the tubes leading to the runways, or the taxiways, represent the trachea, the bronchi, the bronchioles. We'll go more into detail of that later. The train system, the train represents the heart, and the arteries and the veins, or the roads and the parking lots, and the blood is the things that use the roads. So basically the whole cardiovascular system is this train system, or this road system. So I didn't leave a lot of room here, so we'll say cardiovascular. Now the gastrointestinal, or the GI system, I'll put right here. The jail is the liver. So anytime something in here has liver toxicity, it smushes the jail, or it hurts the jail, or something to that effect. Or if it goes through the liver, the jail is always present. So it will be drawing those in pictures. The intestinal tract is the ocean. Okay. The showers are the kidneys. So sometimes if the drug has to go through the showers, or through the kidneys, I'll say something like, or draw the shower and say it goes through the showers. So it's something that you can relate to in the picture that you build in your mind. So the renal is the showers. Now we've got these silly little pictures on the side. I know they're not the greatest, but that's what I'm going to be drawing in each one of it. You've got the steers is sodium. You've got calcium, which is the cows. Does it make sense with milk and everything? Now this, if you don't recognize the little picture, of piglets. So pigs is potassium. Hogs, like this is boss hog, or however you want to look at it, hogs, are hydrogen, or protons. Chickens are chloride. Bees are bicarbonate. And flies are water. So while we're going through the stories of each one of these parts of the town, or the anatomy of the town, you're going to see a lot of these characters, and the characters are represented by toxicities, or the drug itself might have a steer in it because it helps control sodium. So it's something that you can pay attention to, but kind of if you get to know the anatomy, you'll know how the Phunny Pharm works.